it, it's kind of funny. I'm listening to like soft guitar music in the background, and then we're playing this.
I'm getting clapped. I start taking this a lot more seriously.
Or in his case, ED.
Wow, you got me.
Oh, not the erectile dysfunction.
That's what's implied by it. Elimination,
Like-
death.
Oh, I was confused.
I'm wasting your time when you pick me up in duty free.
How come you guys always have these guns talking to you?
Dun, 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 dun.
That's what those betties are for.
I love it.
Oh, that's nice.
There, I stacked it. That's why we put that there.
Hey, Papa, look at that window.
Well, if you want to go res some people, I don't know.
I don't know how to do that. It says defend this, so I'm just gonna defend it.
Damn, they're just feeding themselves
Reload.
Yeah, I'm more accurate with the rocket launcher than the gun.
Love those things.
He was determined to take out that inflatable. Got some bad memories from prom still. He's taking out on.
That's right. They promised me 3 holes. He's angry. I love it.
Good shit, good shit.
Yeah,
Did you go from 0 to 8?
yeah, I got 8 kills though.
But you got any hole one? I imagine your reaction is very similar to like when you get a kill with the grenade launcher.
Yes! Yes, it is!
Oh, got you, bitch. Oh, did you hit him? You killed him by hitting him with it?
Yeah, I did. Direct hit, baby.
We all posting up in here. Bold move, God.
No, we're only gonna do weird ones.
I mean, we can get weird.
Well, shut the door.
We're just camping, bro. I literally saw that.
I hate smelly people. Do you know how badly I hate smelly people?
Asshole! Now I gotta go back to the sniper rifle.
Bring it! Excellent work.
Threw a grenade through the window.
Oh my
Just Hail Married it. Oh my god, a second Hail Mary grenade.
That was bad. Pop that fucking mosquito out there.
Dude, don't micromanage me.
Backseat driver.
Let me play my own damn game. Did it do it?
You didn't get him?
Not again. No way.
Oh, it did it again! It did it again! You know
I'm
what?
manager of the year.
Look,
Manager of the year.
What the fuck just happened?
I got a double kill.
And then Dogs died, and then Riot Shield Cheech and Chong died.
Remember, what has been done can be unburdened by what has been.
Oh!
No proximity mine! Fuck you,
Holy fuck. They're probably motherfucking Utah.
Oh, they're pissed.
Yeah, these niggas about to pull up to your house, bro.